Good afternoon. Here we are over in the new shop working on an 8940 Case IH. It's a 97 model. It's pretty well cosmetically trashed, and showing you how we take them apart to get the glass or sheet metal, but it's fiberglass. We'll take this all apart to refinish it. Needs new battery step, battery tray. Interior is trashed. We have to take all the plastic and all this out yet. The headliner will all be new. This will all be cleaned, Lysoled. All the black edges will be painted. Just gives you an idea just how ugly she was looking. Anyway, I thought I'd let you see her before we finish taking her apart, and take some pictures over in the booth when we get some of these pieces ready. So I guess I'll give you a far away thing here, and there's what it is. And we get a little further along, we'll post another one for you. Have a nice day.